bonding glue, Pump It Up styling spritz, hair bonding protective shield, blow dryer, our bundles, got to be glue spray, and wig caps. And that was basically just kind of to set it, because what we're trying to do is basically create a protection barrier. So I first put this as my first layer. I'm about to go through with the Robert's Diamond Bond Protective Shield, and I'm going to put it around this area and these areas going back, because what's going to happen is I'm going to cut this where you saw me part the sections off. I'm going to cut these, and so then that will be my leave out. And this area back here is what will be protected. So I just wanted to let you guys know what I was doing before I did it. So now I'm about to do it. So the hair is on there, you know. I mean, the hair is protected. So I can proceed with the next step. If you saw my watercoloring video, this is the same bundles, which you should have saw that because that should have brought you here, but if it didn't, go watch that to see how I dyed these. So I have a darker blue and a lighter blue. I'm gonna put this one towards the top and this one towards the bottom, because the top, it'll blend with these lighter parts. I take the hair, I measure it, keep my hand here, I'm gonna cut right there, and this is what I will be putting right where I just measured. I'm gonna glue this part and put it onto my cap. I know we're only on the first one, but I just want to say that I'm extremely proud of myself. This is literally a perfect match. It was my first time ever watercoloring hair, and I hit that jump on the target. Kudos to me. Reason my glue didn't want to come out the proper way, so I got my eyebrow brush and used the brush side. I'm so innovative. I just want to say that. Look at the job getting done. What I decided that I'm going to do is so that it's not just like blue, then a lighter blue. The next one I'm gonna put one of the lighter ones, so that it's kind of like a multicolored thing, like throughout the entire thing. And like I said, it wouldn't just be like blue, then like a lighter blue at the top. Rather, it kind of be like mixed throughout. Hopefully that's a good decision I'm making, and I'm not gonna look crazy in the end. I hate when YouTubers do this, bro, but I'm about to do it. Okay, so what do y'all think? Do y'all feel like I should have done it like this? Y'all let me know what I should do next in the comment section below. I hate when YouTubers do that, bro. Like, how we supposed to tell you and you already did it, you know? And then you go through the entire rest of the video and it's done, but then you're telling us in the comments, let me know if I should pick the blue or the green shirt. You're going out and wearing the green shirt anyways. Why are you asking us? Anyways, I did it like this, and I feel like it's good. I do my leave out. This is how my leave out looks. It's like two-tone like this anyways. I feel that this was a good decision that I made, and I'm very proud of my decision. So far, halfway done. into it. I had to take my leave out and blend it. But this is the completed thing. So it's the next day. Yeah. Went through it with the flat iron and curled it and whatnot and stuff. Cute, cute, cute. So, I'm gonna show y'all how I blend my leave out. This is my leave out. It's like not cute. What I'm gonna do, go with it, I'm gonna put some edge stuff here and I'm gonna make it my edges, right? I'm gonna split this in half, blah, blah, blah. One half this side, one half this side. I'm gonna use the Pump It Up Spritz to lay it down up at the top and then flatten it, but you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Look. Think about it. I really like it. I love the blue. You see the body? Don't ever let nobody tell you that beauty supply store hair can't be good, okay? I paid $70 for this hair, for 2 bundles. And that's all I needed was 2 bundles. See how it looks? This, baby, is 2 bundles. Don't sleep. Don't sleep on me, period.